Twi Lesson 1, Level 1 by Sarfo Baffoe. How do you say important? Here. Here. How do you say it is important? Here. Here. If you want to say different, da nso. How do you say it is different? Ẹ̀dá nso. If you want to say for me, mame. For me, mame. For you, mawo. For you, mawo. How do you say it is for you? Eno mawo. How do you say it is for me? Eno mame. How do you say it in Twi? Eno. How do you say it in Twi? Eno. How do you say something in Twi? Biribi. How do you say it is something important? Eye biribi a ehun hia. If you say it is something important. How do you say it is something? Eye biribi. If you want to say it is something, eye biribi. I have in Twi is mewo. If you want to say they have, wowo. If you want to say we have, yewo. They have, wowo. We have, yewo. If you want to say I have something for you, mewo biribi mawo. I have something for you. If you want to say animal in Twi, aboa, pet, ayemwa. If you want to say dog in Twi, kraman. If you want to say I have a pet, it is a dog in Twi. It is mewo ayemwa eye kraman. I have a pet, it is a dog. Mewo ayemwa eye kraman. Mewo ayemwa. If you want to say I don't have in Twi, minibi. I don't have. Minibi. If you want to say I don't have a pet in Twi, mini ayemwa. If you want to say I don't have. If you want to say I don't have a dog, mini kraman. I don't have a dog. If you want to say bad in Twi, boni or inye. Boni or inye is the same. Bad, boni. If you want to say it is bad, eye boni or enye. Eye boni. It is bad, eye boni. If you want to say good, papa or eye, papa. If you want to say good in Twi, papa. If you want to say it is good, eye papa. If you want to say it is not good, enye papa. It is not good, enye papa. If you want to say I have something good for you in Twi. Mewɔ biribi pa ma wo. Mewɔ biribi pa ma wo. If you want to say, I have something good for you. If you want to say, do you have or you have, wowɔ, wowɔ, wowɔ. Do you have or you have in Twi is owo. If you want to say, do you have something for me? The Twi is wowo biribi ma me. Wowo biribi ma me. Do you have something for me? Wowo biribi ma me. If you want to say, do you have a dog? Wowo kraman. Wowo kraman. Wowo kraman. Do you have a dog? The Twi version is wowo kraman. If you want to say different in Twi, soronko, soronko, soronko. How do you say, do you have something different? The Twi version is wowo biribi soronko. Wowo biribi soronko. Do you have something different? Wowo biribi soronko. Wowo biribi soronko. I want. If you want to say I want in Twi, mepe. I want, mepe. I want, mepe. If you want to say I want something good, mepe biribi. I want something good, mepe biribi pa. Mepe biribi pa. I want something good, mepe biribi pa. Mepe biribi pa. If you want to say but, nanso, but, nanso, but, nanso. How do you say I want a pet but I don't want a dog? Mepe ayemwa nanso mempe kraman. I want a pet but I don't want a dog. Mepe ayemwa nanso mempe kraman. This is lesson 1, level 1. If you want to